Hello, today we're presenting the new 423 model. Where this new model is different to the old ones is that you can get it with extra narrow tires that are only available for this new model. So these tires will reduce the total machine width down to 93 centimeters, and this will make it possible to drive through a normal size door, for example, or just go through very narrow passages. Here on the left side you can see that we have the machine, the same 423, with its standard tires. So with the standard tires it's 1.05 meters of total width. And then here on the right side you can see the same 423 with more wider tires that are also available for it. With those tires your total width of the machine is 1.1 meters. The more wide and the standard tire are also available as a turf profile. This new extra narrow tire is only available as a traction type profile. Otherwise, this 423 is the same machine as it used to be. We have the 22 horsepower Kubota diesel, and we have the telescopic boom option, which you can with which you can lift up to 2.8 meters of total height, and you can lift up to 550 kilos of load.